I just got the new Google Pixelsnap Charger with the stand. Let's unbox it, shall we? On the inside, it's got some safety and warranty stuff. And that's my unbox. Okay, here it is. It's pretty hefty. I was kind of wondering about that. The stand itself is pretty hefty on the bottom. It's got this like little puck that's weighted. It's probably like maybe 2 pounds. I don't know. It's hard to say, but it's pretty hefty. The feel of the charger is pretty nice. It's the same sort of soft silicone material, I think, or is very similar to the same soft silicone material of the Pixel cases that they introduced with the Pixel 9 series. So very soft silicone feel. It's a very nice feeling charger for sure, and feels very premium. You can take this off. So the actual charger can pop off and can come all the way out. So if ever you wanted to use the charger sort of flat on a tabletop or something, if you wanted to take it with you, you could do so. And then whenever you want to put it back in the stand, you just run the cable through the little hole. This will snap right into place. Or if you wanted it on your desk or in the kitchen to prop up your phone, you can set it up as well. Okay, so I was wondering if the magnets would work through the Pixelsnap stand, and it seems like they don't. So you do have to take off the Pixelsnap stand, but then you can prop your phone up on the Pixelsnap charger stand. Seems pretty secure. Won't be going anywhere. Got the screensaver mode showing me the weather. Here's a sideways look at the stand. It sort of lifts the phone off the surface that you have the charger on. And then how is the unmounting experience? To unmount the phone, you pull sort of downwards and towards you gently, and it'll come off. There isn't really a way to take it off by pulling just directly upwards. The phone, like the magnets, are strong enough to completely lift the charger, but it's easy to detach by just pulling downward. So Google says if you have a Pixel 10 Pro XL, you can get the fastest charging or fastest wireless charging speeds at 25 watts. But if you have a Pixel 10, 10 Pro, or Pixel 10 Pro Fold, your charging is limited to 15 watts. So know that the charging is a little bit slower. That's kind of one of the reasons why I have stayed away from wireless charging in the past, because the charging is just so slow. Like, I think wireless charging is okay to charge your phone overnight, or maybe if you have the phone on the stand like while at work or something, but otherwise, if you're in a rush, you need your phone to be charged up fast. This 15 watts is not going to do it. Like, 15 watts is going to take forever. What's this phone at? This phone's at 40. Let's see how fast it says it'll be done charging. So on my Pixel 10 Pro, it says it'll get my phone from 40% to 100% charged in about 2 hours. So if you have 2 hours to charge your phone, this works okay probably. I think it's pretty nice. But yeah, that is my first look at the Pixelsnap Charger with the stand. I think it's pretty nice. I think its only limitation is that the charging speed is pretty slow. But if you're not really someone who's in a rush often, or you plug your phone in overnight and you want a nice way to maybe save some space on your nightstand, I think this will be a nice addition to your Pixel accessories. But yeah, that is my first look at the Pixelsnap Charger with the stand. If you'd like to pick one up for yourself, Google is selling them on the Google Store for about $60 for the stand and the charger. You can get the charger for less. If you'd like to get the charger by itself, it's about $40. But yeah, that is my first look at the Google Pixelsnap Charger for the Pixel 10 phones. If you have any questions about the device, drop them in the comments. I will be doing a more thorough review of all of the Pixelsnap accessories that I've received in a couple days. So if you'd like to tune in for my full review of the Pixelsnap accessories, be sure to get subscribed and consider subscribing for more of my coverage of the Pixel 10 series. And if you haven't seen my video of my unboxing and initial impressions of the Pixel ring stand, be sure to check that out by clicking on the left. And to see a video that YouTube thinks is best for you, click to the right. Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Angel, the Google Pixel Guy, and you take care now. Bye-bye.